Happy Valentine's Day. Does celebrating help you to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom, our expression today, along with this heart, is I'm going to actually share 10. I was going to not do an idiom today and just share the history of Valentine's Day, which I'm going to do, but I am going to share the top 10 idioms that have or are related to Valentine's Day. We've already covered, I think, every single one of these, plus many, many more throughout the last few years. But Valentine's Day, do you celebrate it? Do you not? And do you celebrate things in your business or not? I think each and every one of us, as we're growing and building and supersizing our business, have to remember to celebrate. Celebrate the wins, celebrate the successes, acknowledge people and the contributions that they make. One of the biggest ways that you can grow and develop people is to focus on what they do well and make sure they know that they do that well and that you appreciate it. So celebrate people, and also find ways to celebrate things that come along every single year so that you automate the process of celebrating things in your business. Now, Valentine's Day, I guess we did celebrate it, and we do celebrate it in some of my businesses, some more than others. Some businesses lend themselves really, really well to Valentine's Day promotions and things. For example, in the bakery industry, we always did heart-shaped things, heart-shaped cakes, heart-shaped cookies, decorated cookies, and things like that. In different industries, you may or may not actually celebrate it. Gift giving, if you're in the flower business, if you're in the sweets business, it's a huge day for you, maybe even bigger than your Christmas holiday is. So we have different seasonalities and things we can use to promote and share our business. I think it's important that we do that. So where does Valentine's Day come from? It's actually been around since 496 AD, when Pope Gelasius, I'm probably meat-axing his name, made it a holiday. Two martyrs, both by the name of Valentine, had been murdered and martyred by, and I got to look up his name, can't see it, an Emperor Claudius II. And he didn't kill them both at the same time, but he happened to have killed two gentlemen by the name of, Christian gentlemen, by the name of Valentine. And so in 496 AD, the Pope decided that it was a day that it was going to be a Christian day of feasting and celebrating in honor of these two men who had been martyred for their Christian beliefs. So it doesn't have the romantic or the love that related origin that a lot of people think it does. But in the 20th century, thank you, Hallmark, for making it a day of celebration and tying it directly to love by creating lines of cards and products that allow us to give gifts that celebrate the people that we love. Now, I think you celebrate love in general today, not just your significant other, but your grandbabies. I have a brand new grandbaby, super excited. She came home yesterday and I got to meet and hold her, just changed her diaper, and I forgot how teeny tiny they are when they're newborns. So that's fun, and that reminds me of embracing love. And love comes in all shapes and sizes, all forms, and love is always a good thing. You know, some people like to criticize and say that it's not, but it pretty much always is. So what are the top 10 Valentine's Day related idioms? I'm going to just briefly share those. And again, I'm pretty sure we've covered all of these before in the last couple of years. Number 1, match made in heaven. Number 2, puppy love. 3, head over heels. We've definitely covered that one. 4, love at first sight. 5, love is blind. Definitely have covered that one because I can totally relate to it. Old flame, carry a torch for someone, kiss and make up, wear your heart on your sleeve, and finally tie the knot. So there's all kinds of fun things you can look up and learn about Valentine's Day if you're so inclined, and find ways to tie it into loving and supersizing and growing your business. If it can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, have a fabulous day, and I will, of course, do it tomorrow. Another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your business right now? Have a great day. Bye. Go celebrate.